and gentlemen, put your hands together. Come on! Kailangan lagi tayong masaya. Keep that smiles on your face. Hello everyone. Hello over there. And hello over here. Welcome everyone to Dance Avenue. Yes. Kumusta ang inyong gabi? Kumusta po? Okay naman? Masaya, masaya. Yan, masarap ang ating pagkain. And of course, we are so excited tonight because we have a lot of dance performances to have tonight. Yan, tsaka ang ating mga outfit ngayon, mga dress to impress tayo, di ba? Yes. Okay. And of course, to start our night tonight, may tatawagin din po akong co-host na makakasama ko ngayong gabi. Let us call, all the way from Hollywood, Mr. Wow, Brooks Madula.
Yeah. Woo!
She keep me catching all night long. She keep me catching.
Oh!
Uy!
Diba? Yes, good evening everyone. Welcome to Dance Avenue. Todo ang saya, todo ang sayawan. Kaya, todo mo na.
Ay, bago yun ah.
Yes, yung sayo, yung
Ano?
sayo. Kailangan tapatan mo yung energy ko, ha?
Sandali lang, ano? Dito sa Dance Avenue, todo ang saya, todo ang sayawan, bongga!
Ay, ka. Papunta na tayo sa Darna!
Uy,
Diba?
baka maging superhero na tayo niya.
Kumusta naman talaga namang pinaghandaan mo itong gabi na to,
Oo,
ha?
syempre. Alam niyo ba,
Oo.
because Dance Avenue is our new favorite break dance time dito
Oo.
every Monday.
Tsaka nakakatuwa, no? Monday night, talagang gimmick night na. Diba?
Yes. And of
Oo.
course, this show is going to be aired in our YouTube channel. Nandiyan po sila. Hello sa ating mga viewers
Yes,
from
hello
YouTube.
everyone! Oo. Talagang ano to, ha? Around the world.
Oo,
ikaw nga.
around the world.
Oo.
Yan.
Oy, talaga namang speaking of around the world, parang gusto kitang i-around the world dahil sa costume mo yan.
Bakit?
Para kang ano, crystal ball ba yun?
Crystal
O-
ball.
O ano yung sa disco
disco
line?
ball, disco
ball.
ball.
Oo.
Sabi kasi dress to impress. So, the way to impress the people is to wear something sparkly.
Whoa. So speaking
Oo.
of dancing ball, abay, parang gusto kitang pasasayawin.
Ano na naman ang pasasayaw mo sa akin?
Pero this time, gusto ko yung something, di ba?
Sandali.
Oo.
A disclaimer, I'm a singer. I'm a professional singer, not a professional
But
dancer.
this time, you are not. Wow! English.
He's just challenging me every
Of course. Para makumpleto ang iyong challenge, abay, tawagin natin ang ating napakagwapo na kasamahan. Of course, Mr. Dennis Lisada!
week. Ay, ayan siya. Palakpakan naman po natin.
I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow and the devil's dance away my soul. What we're chewing, what we're chasing.
Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dennis Lisada and Jamie B.
Anything you want done, baby, I do it naturally. I can set your needs like rain unto the seas. I can make a rhyme, put confusion in your mind. And when it comes down to some good old-fashioned love, I got it, I got it, I got it, got it, baby. Every moment, it's all.
Grabe naman
Grabe
yun.
naman. Nagulat
Oo.
din ako eh.
Di ba? Parang hindi naman masyadong kinabahan si Miss Jenny.
Nabigla lang po ako. When I came here, sabi, oh, let's dance cha-cha today.
Oh.
So, cha-cha pala yun. O, may
Oh.
trivia na naman tayo about cha-cha.
Ano
di ba?
yun?
Oo, cha-cha originated from Cuba in the early 1950s.
Oh.
Di ba? 20 years old pa lang si Tita Mary noon. Oo, di ba?
Oh, kasi iba kasi yung alam ng cha-cha ko eh.
Ano ba yung cha-cha mo?
Charter chains.
Charter chains! Charter chains.
Oh, di ba?
Ay, pero ha, speaking of mga dances, ito pa lang si Mr. Dennis Lizada, ha, from yung mga YouTube mga viewers natin dyan. Alam nyo ba na si Mr. Dennis, he used to perform in big screens and TVs in the Philippines before, di ba? Ano po pangalan ng grupo ninyo nun?
Four Aces.
Four Aces. And they dance in the shows like?
Keep on Dancing at saka Easy Dancing.
With Sherlyn Gonzalez before.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm the choreographer of the group.
Choreographer.
Yes.
Kaya po magaling din po si Mr. Dennis mag-choreograph sa mga iba-ibang dances. Pero ano yung mga specialty ng inyong grupo noon?
Salsa.
Salsa
Yes.
talaga. Okay.
Cha-cha-cha also. Yun yung mga all-male na sumasayaw sa TV.
Oh. Aside from dancing, ano pa pong ginagawa ng isang Mr. Dennis?
Ito talaga yung full-time job ko from the Philippines. And I'm thankful also to Mr. Dennis Lansangan. He is the one who bring me in Singapore.
Ayun. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin Mr. Dennis.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, di ba?
Ibang klase
Oo.
yun.
Talaga namang nag-level up. Kasi ang alam ko dati yung cha-cha
Oo.
is cha-cha lang yon.
Chere, che,
Diba?
che,
Cha-cha.
Oo, for
Pero
work and
nung
that.
pumasok na yung mga competition, talagang cha-cha-cha.
Paano yung ano? Paano? Oh, pak.
Cha,
Oh,
cha,
pak, pak,
cha.
pak. Oh, pak. Oh, pak, pak, pak. Oh,
Ganon.
oh.
Kaya kailangan may attitude.
Yeah, kasi nag evolve sila.
Yes.
Yan, nag-iiba-iba.
So speaking of level up, abay ito.
Oh,
Mukhang may level up guest tayo ngayon.
ay may level up guest.
Oh.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, ipakilala po natin ang ating pair of dancers tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ophie and partner Alex to dance.
Kizomba!
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ophie and her partner, Alex. Thank you very much. Ang ganda nun. Diba? Ano tawag doon? Kizomba.
Kizomba.
Meron na naman ako alam sa Kizomba.
Ay, ang dami mong alam, ha?
Oo nga, natutunan ko to nung elementary ako eh.
Oh, ano?
Ang Kizomba po, it started from the late 1970s to early 1980s. Saan? Sa Angola. Di ba?
Diba?
Congrats. Oo. And it's a sensual romantic dance that used to be danced in the family gatherings lang before. Tapos later naging dance na siya sa mga clubs.
Kasi ibang alam mo kung kisumba eh.
Ano?
Yung kikis ka muna tapos sabay sumba.
Ay, Iba yung sa'yo eh, pang partner mo lang
Iba
yun.
yung sa akin eh.
Oo.
Bakit iba yung libro nabasa ko?
Pero ang galing nga, it's from Angola, but the music that they used earlier was from Andrew E.
Ooh.
A rap music from 90s in the Philippines.
Yes.
Oo, di ba? Ikaw po ba favorite dance mo yung Kizomba? Isa sa mga favorite. Other than Kizomba, what is your favorite dance then? Jive. Ayun yung ano.
Yung
mga
boogie na mas mabilis.
Boogie na mas mabilis.
Oh, yung
Yan.
jive.
Last time we asked Alex what he did before back in the Philippines. He was a tricycle driver. Ang poging tricycle. Lagi akong papara dyan.
Actually, tricycle driver, tapos natuto ako mag-ballroom.
Aha, yeah.
Tapos ako yung Grand Slam champion ng Pilipinas.
Uy! Talaga nga naman.
Tapos, top 43 ako sa Blackpool.
Sa UK. Wow! Proud Pinoy
diba?
over here.
Anong sabi niyo?
Ayan naman. Ikaw naman po, Miss Ophie. How does it feel to be a partner of a sweet lover?
Teka, napansin ko na papunta na tayo dito sa likod.
Oo nga, dito nga tayo. Lapit po tayo
Napansin
dito.
ko lang.
Oh, yan. Oo. Parang, okay naman ang breath ko ah.
Ay, nakalimutan ko mag-toothbrush.
Hoy, ikaw pala yon. Yung dinuguan kanina. Opo.
Ay, wala
wala pa.
dinuguan.
Hindi, ano yung
Oh.
pinakbet na masabaw?
Yes. Di ba?
Opo. Si Miss Ophie po ba? Ayan. Ano po ginagawa niyo aside from dancing? Kayo po ba retired na? Nag-work? Retired.
Stock trader.
Oh, stock trader. Naku, hirap na
Social,
stock.
di ba?
Hirap na stocks ngayon eh.
Ang alam ko kasi, ako eh.
Ano ka? Sa stock room?
Sa stock room.
Oo. Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Miss Ophie and Alex.
Mr. Alex, thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much. We enjoy their dance, no?
Oo, yung shoot.
Shoot!
Oo, di ba?
Okay. Another treat for everyone, guys, because we are celebrating another birthday celebration of a beautiful friend.
Yes. Talaga
Yes.
namang mahal naman natin to.
Yes. How about let us welcome on the dance floor one of our birthday celebrants tonight, Miss Lorraine, together with her partner, Jerswin, to dance
Venus
Venus
Waltz.
Waltz.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Miss Lorraine and Mr. Jersey.
Yes. But this time, parang ayaw kong lumapit.
Bakit?
Natatakot ako dahil Inglesan ito
Uy,
ngayon.
hindi Alam niyo ba si Brooks kahapon nalasing English daw ng English?
I'm scared. Wow. And then I'm shaking.
No,
Wow.
you're top one in class in English, right?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Wow.
But first of all, happy birthday, Miss Lorraine.
Thank you so much. It's just a really wonderful dance performance.
Wow!
Ay, naku, Diyos ko po. Utang ng loob, Lord, help me.
Yes, you know, every time I see Miss Lorraine coming in our Filipino dance night, I'm just so proud because a beautiful lady like you is always visiting us. How does it feel being in the Filipino community in the ballroom industry?
Wonderful. I'm very blessed to be welcomed by all of you and be a part of your family. And I don't know, it's like he makes it special. So.
Aww. Yes, because Filipinos are one of the most hospitable.
Warm, welcoming,
Well,
and
yes.
inclusive.
Yes. Have you visited the Philippines before?
Not yet.
You should visit.
She saw a monkey already.
She saw a monkey already?
She just danced right.
No. Yeah, but kidding aside, Mr. Jersey right here used to compete or still competing in dance competition.
I used to compete as amateur and professional, ballroom and Latin.
Ballroom and Latin. And how about you? Do you compete before or just social dancing, hobby?
We've competed.
Oh, you both of you. Yeah, and you know what? I heard that Miss Lorraine's daughter is also a professional ballerina, right? Yes. Do you have any ballet moves?
Ballet?
Ballet moves.
Alam mo, mas gusto ko may music. Para ganahan ako. Oo.
Paano?
Oo. Sige, tirahin mo dyan.
Natutulog yung may hangover
Oh, wala,
pa eh.
wala. Wag na.
Opo, may hangover. Yes. Oy, pero I have a trivia
What?
about Viennese waltz.
Viennese waltz,
Yes.
oh.
It started from the mid-1800
Oh.
in Austria.
Oh.
And thank you.
Oh.
Yes.
Ang alam ko kasi, yung
Oo.
Venice Waltz
Oo.
came from Venice, Milan.
Ay, Venice yun eh. Italy. No, but I learned that back in the 1800s, they used to wear a really long dress.
Oh.
And then they always have to hold their long dresses like this to avoid their partners on stepping on it.
Oh.
I'm right. Ang galing ko.
Ang dami mo nang alam ngayon.
Opo.
Alam mo, dapat sa'yo itumba ka na. Dami mong alam ah.
Yeah. But this is our goal here in Dance Avenue. Not only we're having Grabe to mukhang delikado ang buhay.
Harap-harapan ah.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
please,
Oo, ginawa akong kriminal.
itumba yung i-dip sa
I
sayaw.
did,
Oo.
yes.
Kayo naman.
So again, this is our goal here in Dance Avenue. We want to see a lot of performances and also learn of, different types of dances. Especially our viewers from YouTube are coming from all over the world, right?
Yes.
And with all of your help, we are encouraging you to perform here in our beautiful dance floor here in iVenue. A big round of applause for everyone because we are giving knowledge to all our viewers with the different kind of dances because nowadays people are dancing in TikTok,
Oh.
right?
TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok.
TikTok.
So we have to remind them that the dance industry is big. So we
Yeah.
have a lot of different dances. And we are thankful to all of you for sharing all your talents tonight. Every Monday here at Dance Avenue.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much.
All right.
Are you ready to party? Here we go. You say, rock, baby, rock. Rock it to my heart. Rock, baby, rock. Say we'll never part. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 yeah. Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan, our queen, Miss Mary Nene Maceda, nahihiba. Come on and rock it tonight. Ako ay Kaya ibus mo na pagkat tayo ay together. Rock, baby, rock. The birthday celebrants, Lorraine and Ina. Come on, join me right here, please, next to Tita Mary. Yes. Rock! Everyone say, sing along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock, baby, rock. Dahan na. Ay. Rock, baby, rock.
Ako'y mag-aabang.
Hey, hey, hey! Oh, diba? Rock, baby. Rock, rock, baby, rock. Hey, hey, hey! Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan, ako ay lalo nang nahihibang. Come on and rock it tonight. Ako ay sa'yo forever. Kaya ibus mo na pagkat tayo ay together. Rock, baby, rock. Happy, happy birthday, Miss Ina and Lorraine. Thank you so much. This is Dance Avenue happening every Monday here at iVenue. See you again next week.
Don't want nothing to be wrong with part-time lover. If she's with me, I'll blink the lights to let you